Okay, so part 2 of question 8. So we have an equilateral triangle is shown with both an inscribed and circumscribed circle. Calculate the ratio of the area of the circumcircle, that's the outside circle, to the area of the incircle. Okay, so we're told it is equilateral. So we know if it's equilateral that each one of these angles in it must be 60 degrees. However, we know the construction to get an incircle would mean we'd have to bisect. We'd have to bisect the angle of the triangle, leaving me with a, bisect means to split in two, leaving me with a 30-degree angle here. Okay, now if I create a right angle triangle out of that by drawing a line from here to here, how do I know that's a right angle? Well, because the line from here to here is tangential to my circle. So a tangent must create a right angle. So if I call this the radius r, if I call that the radius of my small circle, and I use that now to calculate the radius of my big circle. So the radius of my big circle is from here to here. So this is the right hand. 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay, so I know that this length here would be the radius of my big circle. So this is a right angle triangle. So if I'm working with the 30-degree angle here, so I'll just transfer my triangle out here. So if that's 30 degrees, and this is my 90-degree angle, then this side is the opposite, which I know is r. And this side here, the hypotenuse, opposite the 90 degrees, is the radius of my larger circle. So if I wanted to use that, I could use tan. So I know that tan of 30, tan is, sine. Sine of 30 is opposite over hypotenuse, or over h. Okay, so h comes across to multiply, h sine 30 equals r, and h then is equal to r over sine 30. Now what is sine 30? If we look up sine 30 or put it into your calculator, or we look it up in our tables, the sine of 30 is a half. So h equals r divided by a half. Dividing by a half is the same as multiplying by 2, so h is equal to 2r. So I know that if the radius of the small circle is r, then the radius of the large circle is now 2r. So let's find our areas. Small circle area is pi r squared, and the large circle is pi, but the radius is 2r, so it's 2r to be squared. So working those out, I can cancel pi off both sides, so then r squared is equal to 4r squared. So now I can cancel r squared off both sides, leaving me with 1 is to 4.